Hello, my beautiful spark beings. Good morning, or at least it's morning where I am. Good afternoon, good evening. For those of you that are back, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, allow me to introduce myself. Today, we're going to be doing a full chakra cleansing and healing. And we're actually going to be singing the various tones of each of the 7 primary chakras in your body. So I've prepared this meditation. Now it's up to you to get into a comfortable position, close your eyes, relax, groove to the music. But also, it should be a spiritual releasing experience for you. And again, each of these tones correlates with a part of your body. I was actually trained in the method of sound healing and utilizing different mechanisms to release these negative and heavy energies from your bodies. So I hope you enjoy this. Relax, release, relate, let go, and heal those chakras. I'm right here at one of my favorite places during my walk. Look at this. Beautiful, right? Let's go ahead and get into the meditation. Today, we're going to sing the sounds of each chakra 3 times each, from the root to the crown. This will elevate you. This will get your energy flowing. This will open up each chakra. Here we go. The first sound is day. Have a good